Hi, here's how to add confetti to your Groove page. First off, create a custom confetti animation and generate the code to install on your website by visiting ConfettiPage.com. It's free. Click the black button that says Copy Code. Go to Groove, and then on the main menu, hover your mouse over to the Groove logo and choose Groove Pages. Inside Groove Pages, click on the relevant page you want to add the confetti animation to. In the example shown, we will use the confetti demo to go to the editor. Click on Manage Site. Now, on the left side of the panel, click on Elements, choose Other, and then look for Code Embed. Then go ahead and drag it in the middle. By the way, please disregard the content you are seeing on this page. It is simply being used for demonstration purposes. Now going back, click on the Embed Your Code here, and then click on this settings icon. This will open a box where you will be able to paste in the confetti code next. So this is how it will look like. Now right-click with your mouse and click Paste to add the code you copied from ConfettiPage.com earlier, or use the text shortcut Ctrl-V for Windows or Command-V for Mac to paste the code. Once you see the confetti code pasted into the embed code element, click on the Save button. Click Save one more time, and then click on the eye icon to preview. This will open a new tab, and you should see the confetti animation in action. And if you did all the steps correctly, the confetti code will work. Congratulations! By the way, if you are using the free version, you will see the ConfettiPage.com branding appear at the bottom left. If you would like it removed, simply pay for a license to use it without the watermark.